Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Walgreens haul for you guys. This is round 2 for me this week. These deals started on Sunday, June 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 12th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to this channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so right here I do have 2 separate transactions. This is my first transaction and this is my second transaction. So we're going to go ahead and get into the first transaction. So as you guys can see, I have 3 packages of Pampers wipes, 2 Colgate toothpaste, Big Soleil razors, 3 of the women degree deodorants, 2 of the men degree deodorants, and then 2 of the Dawn dish soaps. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Dawn first. So with the Dawn, no coupons for those. Those are just priced at 99 cents this week at Walgreens. And so I just went ahead and grabbed 2. And then we have 3 packages of Pampers. I have 2 of the Pampers Sensitive, and then I have 1 of the Pamper Complete Clean. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for 3 for $7.50. We do have a $1.50 IVC coupon. I think it's $1.50 off of 3, so it'll take off 50 cents per pack, so $1.50 total. So $7.50 minus that $1.50 IVC coupon is going to bring your total down to just $6. And then we have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus that 50-cent digital coupon is going to bring the total down to just $5.50 for all 3 packs, or it makes each pack just $1.83. And of course, you guys, with this transaction, I also used register rewards, and then I had a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So this transaction ended up being super cheap for me. So again, $5.50 for 3 packs, or it makes each pack just $1.83. And then right here with the Colgate, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those, and they are priced this week at Walgreens for $3. I purchased 2, so 3 times 2 is 6. We do have a $3 off digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus the $3 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $3. And then when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. As you guys can see, I did receive my $4 registry reward right here. So $3, and then I received that $4 registry reward. That made those toothpaste completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And then right here, I went ahead and grabbed another Big Soleil razor, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5. $5.99, and we do have a $5 digital coupon. So with using that $5 digital coupon, it makes this razor just 99 cents. And then right here, I went ahead and grabbed 3 of the Degree Motion Sense men deodorants, and then 3 of the Degree Motion Sense women deodorants. Now these are priced at $5.49, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $5.49. The second one will ring up at $2.74. So $5.49, $2.74, $5.49, $2.74, and then $5.49. So when you total all of that up, that's going to bring your total to $21.95. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Degree women. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Degree women. And then we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Degree men. So that's a total of $7 in digital coupons that I used. So $21.95 minus the $7 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to just $14.95. If you check your IBOTTA accounts, I know right now on my account, the rebate is no longer available, but everyone's account is different. So just check your account, because we did have $1.50 rebates for the Degree women deodorant, and then we also had $1.50 rebates for the Degree men's deodorant. The limit, I think, was 5. So I got back $1.50 times 5, which is $7.50. So I did get back $7.50 from Ibotta. So $14.95 minus that $7.50 that I got back from Ibotta brought my total down to just $7.45 for all 5 deodorants, or it makes each deodorant just $1.49. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you can see, the Degree deodorants did ring up buy one get one 50% off. Both of my Done rung up at 99 cents, so $1.98. My Big Razor rung up at $5.99. Both of my Colgate at $3 each, so $6. There's my other Degree deodorant. And then both of my Pampers, all three of my Pampers did ring up at $7.50. As you can see, the 150 IVC coupon came off. And then right here, I did use a $4 store coupon, so that came off. My $5 digital for the Big, $3 digital for the Colgate, $3 digital for the women, $3 digital for the men's Degree, and then my $1 digital for the women. And then there is my 50-cent digital for the Pampers. And then I also used a $4 registry reward. So that brought my subtotal to $18.42, not including taxes. I did get back $5.37, and that $5 came from me spending $20 along with my $4 registry reward that I got back from the Colgate, plus my $7.50 that I got back from IBOTTA. So all in all, this was a really, really good transaction, you guys. Plus, I needed some more wipes because we are very, very low on wipes. And I just thought that the deal with the Degree was a really good deal. So this is my first transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I got in my second transaction. I went ahead and grabbed cherry Coke. I grabbed cherry vanilla Coke, and then I have a thing of a case of Sprite back there. And then I have these 3 things of Pringles. I went ahead and grabbed these nice chocolate covered almonds because I am obsessed with these. These are so good. And then I grabbed 2 packages of Tide Pods and then 2 Tide liquids. So with the Pringles, I got the cheddar and sour cream, the ranch, and the sour cream and onion. Now, in the ad, it shows that the Pringles are 3 for $5 this week. But after I rung all of my stuff up and I got to the cart and I looked at my receipt, they actually rung up for $1.99 each instead of 3 for $5. But I didn't trip too much because I was using registry rewards on this transaction anyway, so it wasn't really an issue. So they're supposed to be 3 for $5, and we do have a $1 digital coupon when you buy 3 Pringles. So 3 for $5 minus that $1 digital coupon is going to make them 3 for $4, or it's going to make them just $1.33 each. And then right here with the chocolate covered almonds, no coupons for these, but since I was using registry rewards, I went ahead and grabbed these because, like I say, these are my favorite. I absolutely love these. So they are just priced at 2 for $4. Went ahead and grabbed 2 bags. And then for the drinks back there, they are priced this week 3 for $9.99. And again, I got those because I was using registry rewards. And then I grabbed 2 packages of Tide Pods and then 2 Tide liquids. So with the Tide, they are priced at $4.99. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. With this deal, you can also choose the Charmin tissue or the Bounty Essential paper towels or the Bounty 2 equals 5. Just make sure you're looking at the tags at your store to see what all is included. So $4.99 times 4 is $19.96. I did use 4 coupons. So I used a $2 digital coupon for my Tide Pods, for 1 package of Tide Pods. I used a $2 paper coupon that I printed from the P&G Good Everyday website. I used a $2 digital coupon for the Tide liquid. And then I also used a $2 paper coupon for the second Tide that I printed from the P&G website. So that's a total of $8 in coupons that I used. So $19.96 minus the $8 in coupons that I used brought my total down to just $11.96. And because I purchased 4, I did receive back my $6 registry reward. So $11.96 minus that $6 registry reward brought my total down to just $5.96 for all 4 products, or it makes each one just $1.49, which is a fantastic price, especially for Tide, you guys. So this is a really, really nice and easy deal to do. Also on this transaction, I had a digital spin booster gets $5 when you spend $35, and I used a ton of registry rewards. So now let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you guys can see, all of my sodas rung up at 3 for $9.99. And as you can see, the Pringles rung up at $1.99 instead of 3 for $5. 2 Tide liquids at $9.98. Both of my Tide Pods rung up at $4.99 each. And then both of my nice chocolate covered almonds rung up 2 for $4. And then that's the third Pringle. And so I used a $4 store coupon, All of my digitals and paper coupons came off of the Tide products. I used a $10 registry reward, and then I used 4 $1.29 registry rewards. So it brought my subtotal to $12.76. And another thing that I noticed, my Pringles $1 digital coupon did not come off. So I did call customer service, and they did credit that $1 to my account. So it brought my subtotal to $12.76. I did use, I had a gift card that I got from doing a deal at Rite Aid. So I had a $10 gift card that had just recently came in the mail for me. So I used that, and then I had to pay $4.92 out of pocket. And then down here, I got back $5.35. I got back that $5 for spending $35. And I got back my $6 registry reward for purchasing 4 of the Tide. So I am all in all happy with both of these transactions, you guys. I am happy that I got a chance to stock up on some more Tide products. I got my favorite chocolate covered almonds. I know that my kids are going to eat the Pringles, and we are now stocked on some drinks. So I am happy with this transaction, you guys. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys want to check out some of these deals. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to the P&G Good Everyday website so that you can get some points if you choose to buy some of the P&G products. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Let me know in the comment section what you all have gotten so far this week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.